Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two powerful privacy and ad blocking solutions, Technitium DNS Server and AdGuard. Now at first glance, this might seem like direct competitors, but once you look closer, you realize they approach internet privacy and ad blocking in very different ways. So in this video, I'll walk you through a detailed overview of both platforms, their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion on which is best. Let's get started. With Technitium DNS Server, it's not just an ad blocker. It's a self-hosted DNS server. That means you can install it on your own hardware, like a home server, a small PC, or even something lightweight like a Raspberry Pi. What does that mean in simple terms? Whenever a device in your home network tries to access a website, it first makes a DNS request, basically asking, where is this website located? Technitium allows you to control how those requests are handled. With it, you can block ads and tracking domains, you can filter malware, enforce parental controls, use encrypted DNS protocols, and even run your own recursive DNS resolver. So instead of relying on Google DNS or your ISP DNS, you're running your own. Now let us talk about AdGuard. AdGuard is designed for a much broader audience. It's not just a DNS-based filtering, it's a full ad blocking ecosystem. AdGuard offers desktop applications, mobile apps, browser extensions, DNS services, and even VPN as add-ons. So instead of running your own DNS server, AdGuard provides ready-made solutions that work out of the box. It's built for convenience, it's polished, it's beginner-friendly. So right away, the difference is clear. Technitium is about control and customization, while AdGuard is about convenience and multi-layer protection. What are the main features of both platforms? We start with Technitium. When you look at Technitium's feature set, it's surprisingly a free, powerful tool. Here are some standard features. It runs on Windows, on Linux, on macOS, Raspberry Pi, and Docker. It supports recursive and authoritative DNS, DNS SEC validation, encrypted DNS protocols, custom block lists for ads and malware, and persistent caching for performance. It also has advanced configuration and login, and web-based management interface. One of the biggest strengths of Technitium DNS is that you can configure custom forwarding rules, split horizon DNS, conditional DNS routing, and advanced caching controls. This makes it powerful enough for small businesses or advanced home networks. But remember, this isn't plug and play. You need to understand networking basics to use it properly. Now with AdGuard, its biggest strength is layered protection. Unlike pure DNS blockers, AdGuard's desktop apps can filter traffic before it even reaches your browser. And the key features include system-wide ad blocking, browser-level filtering, tracking protection, phishing and malware site blocking, parental control filters, custom filtering rules, stealth mode privacy features, cross-platform applications, and AdGuard DNS service. So because it works at multiple layers, AdGuard can block ads that DNS level tools sometimes miss, like certain YouTube ads or embedded scripts. Another big advantage is user experience. Everything is clean, visual, and easy to toggle on and off. You don't need to understand DNS or networking to use it effectively. Now, what is the pricing like? Technitium DNS Server is completely free and open sourced. And AdGuard offers both free and paid versions. Yes, you can get the free versions as browser extensions and also as applications that work on iOS, that work on Android, and as well on Windows. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? Let's start with the pros. For DNS, Technitium. It is free and open sourced. You have full control over DNS and there's advanced customization. Also, no subscription fees. And the pros of using AdGuard, it's extremely easy to use and there's multi-layer ad blocking. There's also cross-platform support and a polished interface. What about the cons? For Technitium DNS, it requires technical knowledge and the setup can definitely be intimidating. Because when you land on the platform, you might know absolutely nothing about it, except you understand the technical know-how behind DNS servers. And the cons of using AdGuard? The full features will require some sort of payments, and you have less control compared to self-hosted DNS. So considering all of this, which one is actually best? Well, the honest answer depends on you. So here's the thing, if you're a tech-savvy user who enjoys managing your own infrastructure, you want full control over DNS resolution, and you prefer not to pay monthly fees, then Technitium DNS Server is an excellent choice because it gives you power, customization, and independence. But if you want something that works immediately, that blocks ads at multiple layers, and that protects all your devices with minimal efforts, then AdGuard is likely the better option. And that's it with the comparison of Technitium DNS Server and AdGuard. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Pi-hole, Control-D, and uBlock Origin. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.